Now we'll go with the rabbit habit. Rabbit activity. Okay, what is rabbit activity? But before going to this, we are coming here. In your textbook, they have written, let us do this. So, I am with you, so let us do this. Fill in the blanks by continuing the pattern of each of the following sequence, discuss the pattern in the class. So, there are given several complicated numbers, and then they have reached to certain numbers, then certain numbers, then certain numbers. So, what is this? This is nothing actually. I would say this is nothing. A difference. This is only a difference you have to find out between the two numbers, and you have to just, whenever the two numbers, if you are showing together, you have to just have a difference in that number and you would have find out the number. For example, see, in first question we have given 456, 567 and 678. Let me zoom out for it, zoom in for it. Okay, so what is given in the first row? 456, 567, then 678. Then rest we have to fill. So what are the rest number? It is the simple that you have to find out the difference. What is the actual difference in the number? Okay, so suppose pick any two numbers in this. Okay, pick any two numbers, but make sure the two numbers should be in like the neighborhood number, not the another number like first or second, not this, first or second, second or third, second or first. That's depends on you. For example, I would take second and third. Okay, second and third. What is the second number, guys? So you always know that higher numbers comes up and lower number comes down. So in this, which is the higher number? 678. Okay, sir, 678. We will write here 678. What is the lower number? 567. Okay, sir, 567. If you read the question, there is simply written that fill in the blanks by continuing the pattern. We have to continue. So for continuing, for the next number, first we have to find out the difference between. What's the actual difference in that particular number? So we'll add on the last number, we will get a new number. Understood? Let me explain. So, for example, you have written 678, our third number, which is the highest, and then the lower number, that is 567. We would do simply subtraction. Why subtraction? To find out the difference. To find out the difference, we'll use to do the subtraction. So, 8 minus 7 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1, and 6 minus 1 is 1. Okay, sir. 1, 1, 1, 1. Triple 1. Okay. So, we have find out the difference, that is difference of that number is 111. Okay, sir, what if this two number having not difference 111? Let's check. Remember your difference 111? Yeah, we'll go with it. So now check the first and the second number. What is second highest number? 567, and what is the lowest number? 456. We'll do again subtraction for the difference. 7 minus 6 is 1, 6 minus. You have to also do with me. So don't sit like this. Open the book, open the pen and do with me. If the maths you will not open the book and do with yourself, you would never understand the maths. So you have to do with myself, with me. You have to open the book, you have to take out the pen and you have to solve it with me. So it will be better for you also. So we'll find out the difference. 7 minus 6 is 1, 6 minus 5 is 1, 5 minus 4. Sir, again 1, 1, 1. So that's the thing I am telling, that this is not anything rocket science. This is a simple thing. You have to find out the difference in the bigger number and below that side number, like 10,300. 10,300. This is the largest number, and before this number 10,200. You have to find the difference between these two numbers. Difference. Okay. If you find the difference, you will get the further number. So how will I get the further number? Let me explain. We have seen that this number have the difference of 111. Difference of 111. Okay, so I have got the difference. So means that my next fourth number, that is first number, second number, third. So my next fourth number will be the difference of 111. But the next number should not subtract by 111, but it will be add by 111. How? I will show you. See, We will get the largest number. What is the largest number is here? 678. You also tell me. 678. Now, we have got the difference 111. For the next number, we have to add 111. So, the difference is the similar. Difference will be the similar. You will get out when you will find the all numbers, and then you will check your all difference are same. Okay. So, sir, we will add on 111. So, 8 plus 1, 9, 7 plus 1, 8, 6 plus 1, 7. So, sir, we have got our next number, that is 789. So, here it will become 789. So, next number, you would know what is the next number? We have to add 111 because this stands the difference of 111. So, we have to make this. This is very simple question. I know you guys will enjoy and love to doing this. So, it is so simple. I know you guys will do it easily. You have to just find out the difference and then add on the difference for the further number. Okay. So, next is the rabbit activity. So, what is rabbit? Rabbit you all know. It's an animal. Okay. So, what he is doing in the maths? I will tell you. I will tell you a story. But suppose this is a rabbit house. So, this is a rabbit. Okay. This is a rabbit, and here is the carrot. Okay. There are two carrots. Okay. Suppose rabbit goes from his home to have a carrot. Okay. The one carrot is of distance 10 kilometer and second carrot is of distance 12 kilometer. Now you tell me which is the shorter distance for the rabbit. Where he will reach out the first? Where he will reach the first? At the 10 kilometer of carrot or a 12 kilometer of carrot? Obviously 10 kilometer because sir it is a shorter distance. Okay, I got you. So this is the only the rabbit activity. See, they are making you so many things to complicated the things, but you would have to not make too much in this. You have to just simply see the questions. What they are saying, the rabbit is standing at 2346. So what is 2346? We don't know. Let it be. Assumption, a rabbit is standing at a place A. Okay? You understand A, right? Don't see the numbers and all. Just see the alphabet. A rabbit is standing at the position of A. Then so further, which carrot is closer? A carrot is like 2340. I have taught you that golden rule. You will always remember that golden rule. What the golden rule says? If the numbers is below 5, you have to go down. If the number is below 5, you have to go up. Always up. Okay. So, now the rabbit is at the place of 2346. And there is a carrot. What is a carrot show? One carrot at a B point is placed at 2340. You have to don't see what rabbit will go in the shorter distance or not. No, you have to just doing the round off. You will automatically get what is the shorter distance for the rabbit. And second, at the C place, the carrot is placed of the distance 2350. Okay. So we have to don't see this two number. We have to just focus on the rabbit. So rabbit has a 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. As per your sir has taught you the golden rule. So as per this, you see that in unit place there is 6, tens place is 4, 100 place there is 3. So yes, in the unit place I saw the number 6, and sir 6 is greater than 5. So what's the golden rule say? We have to go up. So we have to go up. So what is the 40? If we go up from the 46, what it will become? 50. Become 50. If the number is suppose, if the number will become a 2, 3, 4, 4. So the number 4 of the unit place is below 5, right? So it will go down. So now it will become 2340. Okay, it's going the down. But in this case, the rabbit is going up. Q, because the unit place stands with the 6, that is above the 5. So which carrot is closer? Answer me. These are the two options. Answer me. Obviously 2350. Why? because the 6 is greater than 5 and it will go upwards, so it will become 2350. The rabbit will go to the carrot where the distance is 2350. Okay, because it only takes 4 jumps. What does this mean? Okay, I will tell you. See, a rabbit, here you can see a rabbit is at the position of 2346. Okay, and there are 2 carrots as placed here. One place is 2340 and 2350. If rabbit would jump from 2046 to 2346 to 2350, it will take 4 jumps. How, sir? You see na, this 2 number 46 and 50. What is the difference? 4, right? 50 minus 46 is 4. So it only takes 4 jumps, like 1, 2, 3, 4 to reach out that carrot. And for the previous, it would take 6 jumps. Why? Sir, the rabbit is at the 46th position, 2346, and the carrot is 2340 place. So what's the difference? Sir, 6. So 4 is bigger or 6 is bigger? 6 is bigger, na? 6 is more far away from the 4, na? So he will go from the 4 side. What is the side? 4 side, where it took the short term. Suppose you are going school. So you have the 2 doors, like one that automatically leads to the college, and one that used to go with the ground, temples and all round and round, and you have to reach out the school. Which door you will pick? For the shorter time, you will pick the first door because it directly leads to the college. But if you are having with the friends and all, you will always pick the second one. I know that. Okay. So this the rabbit activity shows that rabbit always go for the shorter one. You know the story of rabbit and tortoise, right? He's so smart actually. Now, next thing we are going with the nearest thing. What is the nearest tens? Okay, this is very simple, simple formula for this. We have learned already. What, sir? If there a unit place, tens place, 100 place, if the number is below 4 or below 5, always see below 5, not below 4, below 5, because below 5 consider 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and above 5 consider 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, always remember this. Now come to this point. Now just see a number 3176. We have to find the nearest tens. So we have to find the nearest tens. Okay, so first of all we know the tens. 3176. This is unit, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000. Okay, so we have to find nearest tens. Nearest tens. Nearest tens, sir. At the point of tens, there is I am seeing the number is 7. Yes, sir, 7. It's going up. Right. So we have to go up and it will become 3118. Now we have to go with the 100 place. We'll see the 100. What is the number in the 100 place? 1. Right? 1 is below. Right? 1 is below the 5. 1 is below. So we have to go down. For the down, we'll go for the 3200 for the 100 place. Okay? Now nearest 1000. What is the nearest 1000? See, the 1000 is what is the number in the 1000 place? 3, right? So we will go down. We will go down. Okay, so it will become 3000. We have to just simply down out the full tens and the 100. We have to just make it as simple as that. Okay, we'll go with the second example. I know you will guys do this easily. I would go for the third example. Okay, in the third example you will see 5, 7, 8, 9. So unit place there is a 9, tens place there is a 8, 100 place there is a 7, and at a 10,000 place there is a 5. Okay, sir, got it. So unit place there is 9 means up, tens place 8, that is above 5, that means golden rule says going up. 100 place there is a 7, that is above 5, we have to go up. Everything you have to go up, so you have to take further. Like for the 9 you have to take 5790, it will become 5790. In the 100 place there is 8, so you have to jump for the next step, and for the you have to see the nearest to the nearest tens place, right? You will notice this, and then at 100 place there is always also an up, so you will go for the 6000. As simple as that. You should not make it more complicated, not make any rocket science thing. It is a very simple and easy manner they have shown you. Always remember the rabbit formula. Rabbit formula I have taught you. Okay. Now, as you are learning from the Bookvy, so I have personally prepared you for the practice challenges from my end. So, suppose you are having a 5 number. Okay. Suppose you are having a 5 number between. You have to select any of the 5 numbers. Suppose I have given you a number from 1 to 10. You have to pick any of the 5 number, any of the 5. So I have taken 3, I have taken 7, I have taken 5, I have taken 6 and 9. Okay, so my 5 number are this. Okay, that's it. Yes, that's it. You have to only take the 5 numbers only. But make sure that 5 number should be an exact like the golden rule. What I have taught about the golden rule, that if this is the greater than the greater than the 5, you have to go up. Lower than the 5, you have to go down. Okay. So example, they have taken 23,600. Okay, sir. It's between the 5 numbers. And also make sure one thing. You would take this number, but always remember, if you are having a choice between the 1 and 10 number, this 1 and 10, you have to don't pick these numbers. You have to not pick this number. You have to pick the numbers in this between. In this between, you have to don't take the number 1 and don't number 10. You have to pick the between number. Okay? The number that lies on that between of this number. Okay? Understood? Now, you have taken the 5 numbers in this. You can take any one of them. There is no big deal. Okay? This is the Bookvy practice challenges question. Now, you answer me. Now, this is the question for my students of the Bookvy. So, now you answer me. What is the answer of this question? There is a person whose car is 56,987 kilometers, and a Sheetal's car that is 67,543 kilometers. Now think, whose car has travelled more? Sir, what's the question? What is the complicated in this? Everyone know that she has travelled more than him. She has travelled more than him. So obviously she travels the more. Yes, this is the question. She has travelled the more. You find the answer. See, the topic itself says that you should travel to get out the numbers. If you see in your surrounding, if you are living in a room or you are watching this video, right? Suppose you look around your room or a bedroom or a surrounding, there are something which are dependent on the number. Suppose I have this camera. Okay, this camera having some of the storage, right? That is also a number. This camera I have bought some of the amount. That is also a number. Suppose you are watching in a laptop. That laptop also have a RAM, storage, also have a price value. Okay, so that also have the number. So numbers is everywhere. We have to just travel and look around all of us. Okay, so now this is a brain boost, but I don't think this is brain boost for you guys because you are a very talented and over smart guys. And just see the brain boosters also. There are 2 digits, 3 and 7. Largest number. If we combine the both number, what will become 3 and 7? If we'll combine the both number, is 37 greater or 73 greater? So 73 is greater. Okay, I have got the 73 is greater and my smallest number is 37. I just have to find the difference. This is the simple, alright guys? Don't make it too complicated. You have to just find the simple difference, that is 73 minus 37, which will come 36. Okay, as simple as that. You don't have to find anything, don't have to be think so much anything. I have simply taught you 4 things, right? First, what I have taught, that you have to find any number that is unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000s. Okay, how would you read that number? How would you write that number? How you will segregate that number? If the amount is 5,450 rupees, I have increases the number, right? 5,450 rupees. So there are 5,000s I have taught you now, right? There are 5,000 boxes. 5,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there are 400. 400. So that not means 100 fours. There are only 400. So 4 boxes and then 50. 50 tens. 50 tens. So 10 boxes of 50. And the answer will become easy. Then second is we have learned the golden formula. What is the golden formula says? If your number is below the 5, you have to go always down. Always down. Suppose you are having a 1200 rupees. 1200 and even given you 20 rupees extra. But it is now see the unit and tens place. Unit and tens place, suppose you have given 1200 rupees and someone give you more 20 rupees. Now it will become 1220 rupees. So you will see the unit place, then tens place, then 100 place. So unit place it has 0, okay, below the 5, and the tens place is 2, below the 5, okay. So what is the round figure of this? Easy, 1200. How? Because all the things are going down. All the things are going down. So it will. This is the simple thing. You will think. The learning overview I have already given you. What is the? This is a textbook. You would read and you would understand anything. This is not anything more complicated or anything like you have to give it for the JEE or NEET exam. This is not anything more complicated or anything. You have to just focus on the on this learning overview. We have learned today what we have learned today. That's about why do people travels? Different means of transport. Different means, you know the transport. Land transport, road transport, water transport, air transport. You know everything. Yeah. Then what are the large numbers? Or what are the large numbers? 10,000, 500, 50. These are the large numbers. You have to just segregate this and you have to find out the values. Then reading the large number. I have taught you the reading, right? Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. You have seen the reading. Then places the value. How would you place the value? I have taught you the golden rule. How the golden rule? Golden rule are for the rounding off. Golden rule are for the rounding off. Places the value means placing the value that are appropriate for that particular. Like I have taught you the difference now, right? You know the difference. I have told you the greater number minus smaller number, you would get the difference. Okay. For the difference, always remember this formula, that greater number minus smaller number, you would get the difference. And that difference you will add for the further number. Okay? Got it, guys? Now, thank you for watching the Bookvy. Nice to interact with you. Hope we'll see you again. Thank you so much.